Most people get this wrong. They assume all staking platforms are the same, but the surprising truth is that Cosmos Staking offers unique rewards and features that differentiate it from other crypto platforms. Cosmos allows users to stake Atom tokens to secure the network and earn rewards. You won't believe what happens next. Staking not only generates passive income, but it also gives you voting power in network governance, meaning you can influence proposals and upgrades. For crypto investors looking to participate actively, this dual benefit is a major plus. Using the platform is straightforward. After setting up a Cosmos wallet, you can choose a validator to delegate your tokens. Validators are responsible for network security, and their performance affects your staking rewards. Cosmos provides tools to compare validators based on reliability, commission fees, and performance history. A few things to consider: staking rewards fluctuate based on network conditions and validator performance. Also, your tokens are locked for a certain period, so you can't access them immediately if you need liquidity. Security is crucial. Use official wallets and secure devices to protect your assets. In conclusion, Cosmos Staking is an excellent way to earn rewards while participating in governance. It's ideal for crypto holders who want both passive income and a say in the network's future. Careful validator selection and understanding the lockup periods will maximize your benefits. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews to make informed investment decisions safely.